are you?
Happy.
Good job. Don't forget, how are you? I'm happy, right? How old are you? I'm 6. Yes, 6 years old. Very good. Are you hungry?
No.
No. Are you thirsty?
No.
No. What food do you like?
I like chicken.
Chicken. Oh, I love chicken too. Okay, what about animal? What animals do you like? You like?
I like cat.
Cats. What does the cat say?
Meow.
Yeah, very good. What does the pig say?
Meow.
No, pig. Pig. Oink, oink. The pig says oink, 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 right? Pig. Okay, now let's start our speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, sit nicely, Nancy, and speak loudly. Let's start with the letters. Tell me what are the letters and the sound. Go.
Letter A sound F. Letter B
Sounds.
P. Letter C sound K. Letter D sound J. Letter F sound E. Letter F sound F.
Not fast. Okay, E,
F.
Next. Oh, look at this. What letter is it? Letter
Letter A.
A, right? Letter A. What's the sound of letter A?
A.
Okay, which one here is a sound?
And.
And. Next. Correct. Here, what letter is it? What letter? C. Sounds? Not ka. Okay, which picture here it has sounds? What is it? Candy. Yes, correct. Next, what letter is it? Sounds? What is this? Okay, which one here that sounds that sound? Drum. Yes, correct. Next, what letter? Oh, letter sounds? Good. So which one here that has sounds frog is correct. Now let's move on to the last part of the test. Wow, look at this. What animal is it? It's a cat. Okay, what's the beginning sound? No, beginning sound of the word cat. Beginning sound. Let's see. No, beginning sound is k. Uh-oh, you forgot. Huh? No, not ka. Yes. Here, what animal is it? Fish. Where is the fish? The fish is in the... Where? Where is the fish? The fish is in the water, right?
Yes.
What does the fish do? The fish can... What's this? The fish can swim. The fish can swim, right? Yes. What's the beginning letter? That's the sound. Letter. No. Ka. Let's see. Letter. Fish. What's the beginning letter? Letter. F. Nessie, what happened? Letter F sound F, right? Okay, here. Wow, this is very yummy and color red. What fruit is that? Yummy. Apples. How many apples do you see?
5.
5 apples. Okay, what's the beginning sound? Beginning sound. Apple, what's the beginning sound? Nessie, apple. Beginning sound. Apple. Why you cannot answer teacher D? Oh no. Okay, now let's move on. What about this? What is it?
Chicken.
Chicken. What's the beginning letter? Letter. Chicken. What's the beginning letter?
G.
Gucking?
G.
How? Again. So what's the beginning letter? Letter. Chicken. Chicken. What letter is that?
E.
No. Eken. Is this eken? No, eken. This is C. Beginning sound is C. Letter C sounds k. Okay, the sound is k. The letter is C.
C.
The sound is k. Okay? Next. Oh no, Messi. What animal is it?
It's a bird.
Bird. What's the beginning sound?
B.
No, that's a letter with a sound. Sound. Letter B sound. Ba. Why you don't know Messi? What happened to you, Messi? Please study, okay? What about this one? What is
Car.
car? Car, not car. Car.
Car.
Yes. What's the color of the car? Color?
Orange.
Orange. Very good. Now, look at this. What's the beginning letter? Letter. What's the beginning letter? That's a sound. What's the beginning letter? Ka is the sound. I am asking about the letter. Letter, not sound. Car. What's the beginning letter? A, B, C. That's all the letter, right? So what letter? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So what's the letter? Beginning letter. Letter. Car. What letter? Car. Letter. Car, cat, cow. What's the beginning letter? What letter? Letter C, Messi. Letter C. Letter C sounds ka. Yeah? Now, Messi, you need to practice at home, okay? Alright, that's the end of our speaking test. Goodbye, Messi.
Goodbye, teacher B.
Okay, goodbye.